Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a full day vlog in which I'm currently in the metro and going to my hostel because from tomorrow my class is going on. Then I went to the Grameen Seva, which is also called Tuk Tuk, and then I reached my hostel at night around 8 p.m. and I sat in my room. Then I relaxed a bit and I slept. Then on the next morning I woke up and just got freshen up, and I'm getting ready for my college because our posting starts from 9:30 a.m. so we have to get ready. And I'm very lazy at the morning, so I wake up at around 9 for going to the posting at 9:30, so I have to be fast. Now I'm ready and I'm just drinking my coffee ASAP as I have to go. And I've reached my hospital and we took history of a postnatal care patient of gynae ward. And here you can see that we are taking BP, that is, we are doing general examination of a patient. And don't worry, I have taken the consent of the patient to shoot the video. But I'm being cared, and this is what our hospital as in obs and gynae wards look like. And this is how we stand with the patient. And this is, I'm going to the hospital. I'm roaming around the hospital, and I wanted to show you how our hospital and the gynae obs ward looks like. Then after that we took the history, and now we are discussing about the patient details and what we have to study in the theory aspect, as teachers ask us question and we read about the history taking, because we have to be perfect, and we read you which things we have forgotten to ask and which things we have asked, and if we have forgotten we go to the patient again and ask the questions. So this is what we are dealing about and reading the theory about. And this was a postnatal case of cesarean section, so we were reading about it and we were reading theory about it and what are the history takings that we are supposed to know. In between we were doing chit chat also. Then after that we had a class on delivery taking, vaginal delivery, and which our teachers taught us how to deliver a patient on a dummy. We are MBBS students, so we were taught on a dummy. That's the main procedures how a baby is born. I hope you're enjoying these scenes. Then we had a lecture on episiotomy in this 3 hours of class. That's the 9 to 12 is our clinical posting, so we had our episiotomy class now. Then we left the hospital and I went to the library for studying. Then after that I went to home, as I'm not staying in the hostel these days. Then I was waiting for the bus to come. Then I sat on the bus. As soon as I reach home I have to feed Puttu because he doesn't eat when I'm not at home. So this is the thing. As my colleges have started, so I have to take care of my skin because there is too much of pollution while we travel and we have to be outside as we are students. So to take care of myself, I am using Mamaearth products. I'm using Aqua Gel face wash from Mamaearth and Aqua face wash moisturizer. The best part is this is a chemical free product. It uses Himalayan thermal waters that are great for face, as it is rich in vitamins and minerals and has hyaluronic acid as well as aloe vera. So all the three things are great for your face skin. As during college I'm very particular about my skin, as these ingredients decrease your dead cells and increase your new cells formation, as well as they are rich in vitamins and minerals. They make your skin look fresh and healthy as well as shiny. So full of hydration skin, glowing skin, shiny skin, and the best part, need not to worry as it suits for all type of skin. I just wash my face after coming from outside just for 30 seconds to 1 minute, and after that it feels really great on your skin. As you touch your skin after using a face wash, your skin feels bouncy and glowy. Then after that ASAP I apply Aqua face wash moisturizer, which is also rich in Himalayan thermal water, hyaluronic acid as well as aloe vera. All are great for skin. Then additionally it moisturizes my skin and makes it shiny, glowy and bouncy. It hydrates my skin for 72 hours, and I need not to worry about applying cream and making my skin oily, as it is very light gel formula suitable for all skin types and make it healthy glowing skin forever. You can buy Mamaearth's product from Amazon and Nykaa and also from their website, and they have also launched their app. So you can download their app from Google Play Store or Apple Play Store and buy the products of Mamaearth in a discounted price. If you also want to buy Mamaearth's product, then the link is in the description below, and I have a coupon code for you, which is AISHU 2021. Here you can see, and use that coupon code and you can get discount of 20% from these coupon code. So after cleaning my face, I relaxed a bit by doing nothing. Then I had my dinner at around 7:30, as we have early dinner while watching Netflix. These days I'm watching Squid Game. Then I started studying because as there my gynae exams are coming, and as you can see, Puttu doesn't let me study and he's disturbing me and he's asking me to play with him, and but I'm trying to study as well as play with him, double multitasking, as you know. Because I can't say no to him at any cost, but I have to study also at any cost as we are in MBBS. So we did both the things together. This was all in my day in a vlog. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe and comment on my channel, because whenever you do so, I feel motivated because you are my family.